So Rich says the study of quantum physics is counterintuitive. To say it's simple and correctly describes the observer effect is incredibly naive. You need to understand. No. Again, this is where men fail incredibly and show their incompetence again. Guys, quantum mechanics is not something you need to understand because you are quantum mechanics. You are the observer and the observed. They're not two separate things. This only gets complicated when you think there's a world and there's a you, and that you have to study the world so you can understand the world without realizing the world and you are the same thing. You are just the world given form. You're the one collapsing the world because the world is you. Because the world built enough structure so that you can finally see yourself. So again, quantum mechanics is not complicated. I mean, I guess it depends on what kind of thing you're trying to do with it. But quantum mechanics is a very baseline reality for why it can even exist and why outcomes even occur, right? So for example, before this guy saw my video, there was a timeline where he did not reply to my post. And then he watched my video and it bent his reality, so he replied to the video. And same thing here. He bent my reality, now I'm replying to him. It didn't exist a couple moments ago, but now it's collapsed because that is what's happening. That's now. That's quantum collapse. And it is bent by mass. Reality is not sterile, reality is not flat, reality is not random. It's structural, it's precise, it's mathematics. Meaning, it is bent by the density of the observer, density of the field, and the person behind it. So, when men want to talk about quantum mechanics, they don't understand that quantum mechanics is not some sterile, dead thing that is random. And it is not, it obeys mass. It obeys mass like space-time obeys the mass of a planet or a black hole. So, I'll say it like this. You can debate quantum mechanics or you can be it because only one thing is real. The other one just floats in irrelevance and studies and words. So that's all I'll say. Because quantum mechanics is something you use as a tool, it's a sword. It's not something you study infinitely and do nothing with. It's like the man who reads a million books but doesn't do anything. He reads all these books on how to get rich, but he never tries to get rich, so there's no point. So again, quantum mechanics is a function. It's not something you can infinitely study and dissect and not act like nothing will happen. So that's all I'll say. It is the baseline of why everything can even exist and is bent by the density of the observer. It's not complicated.